College Bun Fibro ka jung tip nam ta ke result ke pemi apo ka official website jong ka mpsc Meghalaya Public Service Commission Lower Lachmer Shillong ka badai minta ka si ka 3 August arjar psau ka result ka badai jong ka LD assistant in the head of the department December 2020 tekene ka dei ka screening test ma mun ba ka written exam ka result jong ka written exam but kibami ka teng nel mami ka roll number kin poisha ka interview. The result of the screening test, the post of L.D.A assistant the head of department December 2020 held on 13 May 2023. Goodbye. Exam kadai hu kalai truk May arjar apply. Taking and declare mantai result is hereby declared. The candidate bearing the roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. There's a check your roll number jong la day la pilih thok ne me exam jong kan L.D. assistant in the head of department December 2020 kemudian apply kan post nandu arjar arpo December arjar arpo ke exam bere pitau arjar apply te baro ki ba qualify ki don komba shispa live san ngode ai lang bakala de shispa live san ngode ai te ki ba le tho sa check your number jong la de bila ban check na admit card la ban check na po official website jong ka mpsc.nic.in ngasabu ka link apo description Tikini giro number, tesapet himapi, basdang adu shispa kenai po ar ter prasan reu lai pran ru ar ngan supli tangkat tukan tali ki number, reu not ar kendai reu prasan san, nyeo san prasan, way not ar lai way lai not san reu, way ru way lai nyeo, way nyeo way pra, way nyeo pra kendai, way pra way ar way, hilaban pos an page giro number. Way pra way pra ar way not nyosan ar way ar naisau ar way tilawan check sampai admit card la phi don em ron number jong phi ar not ar knai nyo not ar knai nai reu ar lai way sound reu tar te baro gidon ko mashis pa live san rei you qualify and taka personal interview. The personal interview will be held on the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 8th and 9th October 2024. Sekan mau nang don por sa komba shibanai September matun create nam taka nek interview. At 10 a.m. the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission candidate bearing the above phone number are to download their intimation letter from the commission website. Tekini ki badon ni kiro number ang tei balak qualify ila man download ya kata ka intimation letter na poka commission website ban yo ya kaban late nam taka personal interview. Tetangi ni ki jeng betip College Bun.